Was fighting the flames in my backyard, and that's when the cactus caught on fire, and so I was back there, got my family out. Couldn't see because of spotlights, and some cop said, "Hey, you gotta get out of here, son." I was like, "Nah, this is my house, this is all I got left." People, it was like an apocalyptic scene, man.
Yeah, everywhere is.
Dude, people were just, no one was calm. They were trying to communicate, and it was like standing from me to you, just yelling. And their kids are crying in the car. It's just like, dude, people were driving over sidewalks. Yeah, bro, when it was going on, I couldn't see who was around. I couldn't see the neighbor who was trying to help me.
Did you have like a face mask?
No. I had my shirt, I had sweatpants, and I had no socks but Converse. I ran in my house to try to get medication for my family, and so I got my family in the car, and I tried to help my parents. I told them I'll be right behind you, and I came back to the house, and that was when I was just like, I can't lose it.
It looks like lava coming down the mountain, like it's insane. Wow. Driving up Denison Grade, everything is burned. This has all been burned to a dust. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Dude, we're in the middle of it, bro.
Yeah.
We need to find the water hose. There it is. Do you got more hose down there?
First hand firefighter.
Track, that's his house. Fought it off last night.
That shit was crazy, bro.
Still got some flames going over there.
We are in a neighborhood in East Ojai on Mercer Avenue, where sheriff's
They're right there.
Yep. Driving up Grandview right now. Gonna check on our friend's house. Kind of sketchy.
So the concept here, if a cop or someone stops us, we're going to my friend's house to check on it.
Yep.
His cat's loose. He couldn't catch his cat. I'm looking for his cat.
I'm gonna go with the
And
old
what,
person.
and what do we say
vibe,
about all the
but-
cameras?
Yeah.